This is Short Bible Stories, where ancient words come alive. In just a few minutes, journey through powerful moments of faith, courage, and redemption. The Bible, one short story at a time. In the pages of ancient scripture, we find a story that intricately weaves themes of sin, redemption, and divine purpose. Today, we delve into the poignant account from 2 Samuel chapter 12, 24 to 25, where we witness the birth of Solomon, a pivotal figure in biblical history, born to David and Bathsheba. The narrative unfolds in the wake of King David's profound moral failure, a sin that reverberated through his life and kingdom. Despite David's grave transgressions, the presence of divine compassion remains steadfast. After the heart-wrenching loss of their first child, a consequence of David's sin, God, in his boundless mercy, provides solace. Bathsheba conceives once again, and this birth marks a new chapter of divine grace. In the quietness of their royal quarters, Bathsheba bears a son. This child is named Solomon, meaning peace, indicative of the restoration and forgiveness that follows human error. Yet, the story does not end with his birth. In a display of affection and divine favor, God sends the prophet Nathan to convey a special message. Nathan bestows upon Solomon the name Jedidiah, meaning beloved of the Lord. This moment captures the essence of heavenly love and purpose, transcending human failings. Solomon's birth is not just a personal redemption for David and Bathsheba, but a foundational event for Israel's history. Solomon would grow to be a wise king, renowned for his insight and leadership. His reign would symbolize a golden era, a fulfillment of promises, and a testament to the divine plan that transforms transgressions into triumphs. This story reminds us that despite our flaws, divine love and purpose can work through our lives, shaping destinies and history itself. As we reflect on Solomon's beginnings, we're called to remember that redemption and divine favor are never beyond reach. Even when surrounded by the shadows of sin, there shines the promise of new life, peace, and divine acceptance. As we reflect on Solomon's beginnings, we're called to remember that redemption and divine favor are never beyond reach. Even when surrounded by the shadows of sin, there shines the promise of new life, peace, and divine acceptance.